With operations in Eudora, Kansas and Winnipeg, Manitoba, Modern Manufacturing is committed to being an industry leader by providing the highest quality solution-based products to keep the railroad industry moving safely. They are committed to long-term relationships with railroads, transit agencies, and contractors by building products with an emphasis on safety, value, and integrity. These core values have been integral in helping Modern Manufacturing in achieving Safe Work certification. They have demonstrated a strong commitment to safety at all levels within their organization, and it is strongly embraced and reflected in the actions of their staff. On behalf of Made Safe, we would like to congratulate Modern Manufacturing on achieving their Safe Work certification. If you or your organization would like additional information on becoming Safe Work certified, please reach out to us at Made Safe. We're here to help.